Welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'll talk about how you people can fix your sentences using grammar rules to collectively or correctly you make or use the sentences. So welcome you all. A clear and a concise subject makes a sentence a good foundation. Today you people will get to know how to apply knowledge of English conventions, the understanding and the proficiency of using capitalization, punctuations, and spellings. Now you see, we need to correct these sentences. I would be giving you sentences, and once you people can make correct sentences in your mind, I'll give you people the correct version of that sentence. So now we have a sentence. Read this one closely. Yesterday the removers loaded our things into the lorry. Now, yesterday, this is the same old sentence. Now, it says that it follows the rules of grammar. Now, before we start our game or our practice, so these are the rules that will make sure the ideas are shared accurately and understood easily. How the use of punctuation is made in this sentence and the capitalization as well. So there's a word yesterday with the capital letter, and then we have a comma. Why do we use a comma? To separate it from the introductory word or phrase. Then the removers loaded our things into the lorry. Then we have a period, or we can say it a full stop. So it is always used at the end of the declarative sentence when you declare something, when there's a fact and figure stated. So now we have a noun, preposition, and verb as a part of the speech that helps us construct a sentence. So now we have this old sentence, and now we'll see how much part of speech we have into it. So yesterday, comma, the removers loaded our things into the lorry. The is the definite article. We have two articles, definite and indefinite. We use the term the when there's the specific thing. So, removers is a noun, refer to the people doing the action or a verb. Loaded, it is the verb, past tense of the verb. Are things into the lorry, into is the preposition. Y- to know if a sentence is written correctly or accurately, you can check the proper use of it. For example, we can check the capitalization, the punctuation, spellings, and the part of speech. So these are the instructions you people need to carefully read, and let's begin with it. She have installed a lot of doorknobs for this project. Now the correct version is that when we add the word she or the pronoun she, we have to have use has with it, not have. Have is used for plural. So replace have with has to match the singular subject she, and separating the word that is written combinedly a lot, though it is a lot. Now another sentence we have: due to the rust damage, Harry had to replace the drill pipes. The correct version is that we need to incorporate a comma and a bit of the grammar is misplaced. So adding a comma to the introductory phase, correcting the spelling of replace, which here it is written replace, and then replacing the question mark with a period, which is a full stop. So due to rust damage, comma, Harry had to replace the drilling pipes. Here it is written Harry to replace the drilling pipe. So it is, so the first sentence is wrong and the second is right. The third sentence we have is the carpenter began making cupboard doors with help of its apprentice. The correct sentence is that we need to incorporate the because it is a noun, and then we have a proper noun carpenter. So the is incorporated, which is definite article. The carpenter began making cupboard doors with the help of not his but its apprentice. The fourth sentence we have is the Amelia carefully painting the wool to a steady hand. But the correct version is Amelia is carefully painting the wool to a steady hands. Then we have a full stop or a period. So capitalization of the first letter of the person's name, adding is, and then correcting the spelling of the word wall. So it's not wool. Replacing the preposition to and adding the period at the end of the sentence. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and check how many points you people have gained so far. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We'll meet you guys in the next video.